So the shift towards personalized and advanced therapies such as mRNA, viral vectors, cell and gene therapies has really redefined biomanufacturing, moving away from centralized large-scale facilities towards more agile, more modular environments. Speed to market, scalability and flexibility are now top priorities for our customers. And manufacturers are prioritizing solutions that accelerate time to launch, enable rapid adaptation to evolving therapeutic needs and market dynamics. So speed. Developers need to move quickly from clinical to commercial scale. Flexibility. Facilities must accommodate multi-product workflows and evolving technologies. Scalability. Solutions should support scale-up, scale-out strategies, but also provide options for scale-down or scale-on strategies. Scale-on referencing process intensification and continuous manufacturing. Compliance is still critical, ensuring adherence to cGMP standards across varying biosafety levels, BSL-1, BSL-2. And in particular for ADC manufacturing, this also includes maintaining compliance across different operator exposure bands, OEBs, so supporting safe and effective handling of potent compounds. Cost efficiency is always top of mind, reducing upfront CapEx and maximizing your OpEx. While initial capital investment is required, it does enable significant long-term savings, making it a strategic decision for sustainable growth. So QBO is Cytiva's modular prefabricated biomanufacturing solution. It's designed to accelerate the production of biologics. The QBO portfolio is designed for both traditional as well as advanced therapies like monoclonal antibodies and variants, recombinant proteins, viral vectors, pDNA, mRNA, as well as cell therapies. And the QBO box and QBO box trailer, they're compact, more mobile versions designed for the production of advanced or personalized therapies. They are rapidly deployable, they're GMP compliant, and enable scalable flexibility. So they are ideal for agile, high impact production in emerging regions or rapid response scenarios. So this offering includes options around BSL-1 or BSL-2 modular clean room environments, really designed for the production of advanced or personalized therapies. It also includes our Flex Factory process train, which is a single-use or hybrid configurable biomanufacturing platform. So hybrid meaning it's a combination or can be a combination of single-use and clean and reuse equipment, or it can be a combination of Cytiva as well as third-party equipment. It includes integrated automation for streamlined manufacturing. It's rapidly deployable. The trailer is delivered in 8 to 10 months, and the QBO box is delivered in 10 to 15 months, pre-qualified and ready for GMP production. It has an expandable footprint, so the modular design enables seamless scaling as production needs evolve, supporting growth, flexibility, and responsiveness to changing therapeutic as well as market demands. And end-to-end support. So we're providing comprehensive coverage from initial design through the lifecycle management, including on-site operator training, project management, single-use fluid management, and customer success management, accelerating customers' GMP readiness and ensuring sustained operational excellence. So today, it enables rapid deployment within existing or repurposed spaces. It minimizes time to market, and it's reducing long-term cost of ownership. Tomorrow, it's about modular design supporting future expansion, seamless technology upgrades and adaptation to emerging therapeutic modalities, ensuring long-term flexibility and scalability. Global readiness, proven installations across the globe. It's backed by in-country support and deep technical expertise, ensuring reliable deployment and sustained performance in diverse regulatory and operational environments. And then there's operational efficiencies. It enables multi-product workflows and scalable processing, supporting flexible manufacturing strategies and optimized resource utilization. It's been a positive reception. Customers consistently value the speed, the flexibility, the reduced risk offered alongside Cytiva's deep historical expertise, experience, and proven track record in biomanufacturing. We have well over 170 end-to-end solutions that we've successfully delivered, and Cytiva has earned the industry's trust, really demonstrating our ability to consistently deliver expertise, our reliability, and innovation in biomanufacturing. Collaborations. So Cytiva has collaborated with leading modular facility providers, including Germ-Free in the US, Aardmark in Europe, and Pharmadul Muramatsu in Asia, to showcase our end-to-end comprehensive facility offerings. So these collaborations, they reinforce our ability to deliver integrated GMP-ready solutions tailored to diverse regional markets and regulatory needs. And commissioning and qualification services really streamlines the regulatory compliance by providing comprehensive commissioning and qualification packages, reducing the client's burden in preparing submissions for regulatory approvals, and accelerating project readiness. And then there's the market impact. QBO is helping to democratize access to therapeutics by enabling production where and when it's needed, bringing manufacturing closer to patients and accelerating responsiveness to global healthcare needs. So the future is about being decentralized, digital, and patient-centric. So Cytiva is actively investing in technologies and collaborations that support this transformation. We have smaller distributed manufacturing units, solutions like the ECTA-Ready 450 for purification, the ECTA-Ready Flux 500 TFF for ultrafiltration and diafiltration operations, and compact systems for fluid management and flexible, localized production. Our advances in analytics and predictive maintenance, leveraging data-driven insights to really optimize performance, reduce downtime, and enhance product quality. Global collaborations to expand access and capacity. We have strategic collaborations such as with Culture Biosciences for small-scale bioreactors and Aardmark for our modular manufacturing facilities. So this is all helping scale innovation and reach. And then we have process development and validation services capabilities. So we're offering services that reduce the burden on manufacturers by streamlining development, scale-up, technical transfer, and regulatory readiness for both traditional and advanced therapies, accelerating time to launch. So integrating automation and digitalization into modular manufacturing platforms, such as the QBO, it delivers significant benefits. Process consistency and reproducibility. Automation ensures standardized operations, minimizing variability across batches. Real-time monitoring and control enables proactive decision-making and error reduction through continuous oversight. Data integrity and traceability. Digital systems ensure secure, compliant data capture and audit trails. Operational efficiency and reduced human error. Streamlined workflows and automated tasks improve productivity and reliability. So Cytiva delivers comprehensive support across the entire biomanufacturing lifecycle, from facility design and process development to equipment integration, automation, operator training, and ongoing service. This holistic approach allows customers to focus on science, focus on their product pipeline and operations, while Cytiva manages the infrastructure and complexity required to efficiently and compliantly bring manufacturing capacity online.